Well done to Orlando Pirates. Asikhuluma two beautiful goal mfethu. Those are two contender of goal of the season. Asikhuluma ngelika really. I mean mfethu lo mfana lela ball shayile. Bamenzela ngale
ball. Similar goal like 2 weeks ago in Bombela also.
Alshayile. Shayile goalkeeper but no goalkeeper Gamangoba naye. I think uMangoba man need to speak with these goalkeepers. Angazi abanye ay serasipole le palini it's a goal. Sengikhuluma ngale bola lokugcina leli. Nale bola le deflection. Awusalikhabi ngenyawo leli. Ngiyazi deflection is difficult but umude uthole just likhabi ngenyawo. Leli ke liza la kwesandleni. Qinisisa ngandle phayile ibhola liphumele ngaphandle. Liyakushaya ishaya ipali langena. Ngisho le last goal. Leli apolice alifakayo. It's unfortunate. Well done 2 goals I think Orlando Pirates first goal. Individual brilliance from the boy. Well done to Uriel. I think the more Uriel Magaba Sekemin, Orlando Pirates will be on song. I think they understand him. I think we let a signal. He came my color. He's bringing a signal by the way he's showing up. First 10 minutes, umfana show up and then everybody had to follow. He's sort of a leader with the HR and ngihlale ngisho mina nama player amadala they need to learn this. Akumelanga sikwenzele favor. I mean lo mfana uset standard. Shane Ntwana le 21 years if you're talented and then banichi talent this is what you're going to do. Pirates is the biggest PS team. But lo mfana ucarry le club kanje. I mean score 2 goals, 3 goals in per season. Akusi easy Shane. Lo mfana ushaya 3 ku first season ku second season yakhe manje ushaya 2 goals. And weight matters most. But compete and Sundown psychologically is so strong as well. So well done to really. I think today we deserve man of the match. The movement between him and Apolis, I think they were on song. And Apolis as well, I think their rule half winger. Ngoba dlala nga double, I will say double number 10 because he comes inside allowing this guy usibelebele to go. Also is ile mele hlanganiphe ke umremena coming in. Ngoba ama decision awathathayo alimazo Orlando Pirates
decisions today they were questionable
questionable kakhulu and nokususa amehlo ebholweni weba i-team ichekile le ball urile kudlala lona ngo left the receiver boy finish so good goal from I think Urile first goal. I think these guys they were disjointed. He wanted to still go open play. Open play. Ufuna build up a coach. I think the stage flight for certain players wakhe. Obonile. I understand what Alango says outside nomsumi. I understand. So enough. I understand but consider 2 goals, but much better in terms of pressing, understanding, going forward. But you need to get match winners.